Welcome to the enigmatic realm of hair luminance, where the secrets of hair transformation lie hidden in the depths of darkness, waiting to be unveiled by those who dare to seek its mysteries. Do you dare to venture into the unknown, seeking answers to the mysteries that shroud your hair's destiny, braving the shadows that conceal both truth and deception? Within the pages of Hair Luminance, whispers echo of ancient remedies, whispered only to those brave enough to seek them, beckoning you into a realm where magic and reality intertwine. Unravel the enigma of your hair's potential as you delve into the depths of nature's arcane lore, discovering the hidden pathways that lead to radiant transformation. Witness the silent metamorphosis that occurs when you unlock the hidden knowledge concealed within these cryptic pages, feeling the echoes of ancient wisdom coursing through your veins. The journey to enlightenment begins with a single step, as you embrace the mystique of hair luminance, allowing its whispers to guide you on your quest for beauty and empowerment. Take hold of your destiny and embark on a quest like no other. Hair Luminance awaits those who dare to seek the truth, offering not just answers, but revelations that will forever change the course of your journey. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of hair transformation, one enigmatic revelation at a time, forging a bond that transcends the boundaries of time and space.